this is how I used to do it on the farm. But then I found these scorpion straps and they are brilliant. So this, I'm just opening my pack here, and I'm using proper snips because we don't want to damage the product or we don't want to hurt ourselves. So the best way is just to unclip it. So it's easy to secure our load with a scorpion strap. Simply secure it on this side. The strap goes over, and then we secure it on the other side with our ratchet. Okay, when we're tying these, if we loop that way, this thing's going nowhere. These 15-foot straps are great because they give you plenty of length to work with. The scorpion straps, they're a really good quality strap, as I said, and they're 500-pound working load, which is fantastic, and we've got a 1,500-pound breaking strain. Through the cam, take up all the slack, work the ratchet. These scorpion straps, you can make them as tight as you want. I can go all the way across the farm and up and down the hills. This load's going nowhere. And if I'm a bit concerned, I can give them another tweak. That's fantastic. The webbing on scorpion straps is a UV resistant, waterproof, long-lasting, fray resistant, high tensile steel in the mechanism, and nice comfortable grips, because you know, you're working, especially if you do it several times a day, you don't want your hands getting sore. So that's a really good quality rubber on there. To release, press the spring-loaded bar, fold over 180 degrees, and we release.